Precast Erectors. Precast Erectors Planner app will help you reduce delays that cost you as much as $4,000 per hour. No more delays waiting for pieces to be delivered to construction sites. No more wasted labor time. No more equipment sitting idle. Precast Erectors Planner app streamlines supply chain between the erectors and the manufacturers. Foreman, get detailed daily and project documentation with minimum effort. Let's see how Precast Erectors Planner app works. For each project, load your erection sequence from an Excel file. The sequence list is your scheduled work plan, and it provides quite a lot of details about items to install. Foreman, if you have a delay, easily change time and date ordered right in the plan. Once your time changes are done, the items will be automatically rescheduled and the app will notify all involved parties. Let's see how easy it is to create a daily report. In the right side menu, select Daily Reports and hit a plus button. You don't even need to type. The app will convert speech to text. Check the items that were installed today and fill in the safety, crew, equipment, etc. details. The daily report contains notes about why delays happened, safety info, pictures, the 4-day look-ahead plan with adjusted delivery times and dates so that everybody can adjust their plans. The 4-day look-ahead part of the daily report gives your foreman and manufacturers a detailed schedule of the project for the next few days. Email the daily report to manufacturers, contractors, etc. Manufacturers, increase your efficiency, save time and money. With 4-day look ahead, you know exactly what pieces need to be made and when to load them on trucks. Contact us at www.precastapps.com, support@snappii.com, 1-888-707-6633.